Imagine yourself in this Ford 2019 Taurus SEL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, heated front seats, seat heated driver, seat heated passenger, leather seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rear backup camera and parking assist. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.